from the Telugu Warriors players, Captain Venkatesh, Akhil, Adarsh. Good of them to come to the finals. They're bitterly disappointed, having lost yesterday in the semi-finals, having played so well in the entire tournament. But it's good to see them. Shows wonderful spirit that this tournament is played in. Competitive, but yet in the right spirit.
Again, didn't quite catch that at all, did Vikranth? Gets away with it. Bhaskar gave only 5 from his first over, and despite the gentle off-spin, obviously there's something about his bowling which they're finding difficult to put away.
Well, I don't mean to be harsh, but Prithvi took most of the strike. I think it might be a different scenario of Vikranth faces more deliveries of Bhaskar, because I feel Vikranth's moved into the 5th gear now. He's going to attack 80% of the balls that are bowled to him.
Also a question of stamina. They've been playing a lot of cricket on the weekend. Played yesterday, came here today. He needs to connect well. That was a gimme. There is a man at backward point at the boundary. But was there for the cut. Had the space. Well wide. Did everything right. Pushed his weight back. Goes across the line. Connects well. Boundary at mid-wicket.
4 more runs for Chennai Rhinos.
Nicely played. With the turn, picked his spot, and knew all he had to do was get it over the infielder. Didn't try to hit it too hard. Concentrated on the placement and the timing, and that's what you've got to do when you've got a lightning quick outfield like this. Just pierce the gap or go over the fielder and you'll get full value for your shot.
A little more expensive this over Bhaskar. 7 with 1 ball to go. But luckily for him, it's Prithvi who sends it straight back to the bowler. So it does remain 7-14 gone, 112.
Not so easy. The Rahul who replaces Chandra. Shot. Pulls well. Over the head of the fielder. Sudeep goes to the fence.
1 bounce into the boundary. First ball is 4 runs.
What a shot being played. Short one and just helped it on its way towards the fine leg boundary. He's picked his spot to perfection. He's played an innings which he will remember for a long, long time. Quickly raced up to 73 of just 48 deliveries. 12 boundaries and a massive 6 in that. He's played some terrific shots, isn't it, Saba? Some scoops down towards the fine leg. They're really difficult shots to play, but he's executed those shots to perfection. This time it goes over the top of the bowler. One bounce into the stands. Well, he's taking it on. He's turned the heat on here for the Chennai Rhinos.
This is very clinical hitting from Vikranth. For the first time in season 2, we have seen this kind of explosive power from Vikranth. Extremely methodical, very precise in his shot selection. What a knock. He has to carry on for his side, Rhinos. That's what they say when the time comes, is the big players, the match winners will come good for you. And that's what Vikranth has done for his side. They're in deep trouble now, the Bulldozers. Now the wheels coming off. Intensity is missing. The bowling has been below par. They haven't bowled in the right areas. They have have conceded
I'm sure
extras.
all of us, all the stars are
It's been a
enjoying
tough
the
time
match.
for the Bulldozers.
What a final this is turning out to be.
Tries to go after it and missed everything. Sudeep failed to collect that ball and has conceded buys in the bargain. What I've liked about his batting and his innings is that he's paced himself really well. Started very sedately and then went on to play some magnificent shots. And emotionless, Saba. That's the way you need to construct an innings.
Pulls well. He'll keep strike. It's 123 for 2 after 15.
123 for 2 after 15